Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop wasting data on Android. Many apps continue to use your mobile data in the background, even when you are not actively using them. You can easily restrict this by navigating to your phone settings, selecting Network and Internet, then Data Saver. Within this menu, you can toggle off unrestricted data for specific apps, ensuring they only use data when you choose. This helps you gain control over your data consumption. Activating your phone's dedicated data saver mode is an effective way to conserve precious megabytes. This system-wide setting limits background data usage for all applications, and it can significantly reduce your overall data consumption. Additionally, always set your apps and your operating system to update only when connected to a Wi-Fi network. This simple step prevents large downloads from eating into your monthly cellular data allowance without you even realizing it. For more granular control, you can restrict data for individual apps that you suspect are data hogs. Go to your app settings, select the problematic application, and then disable its mobile data usage while in the background. Furthermore, consider turning off autoplay videos within social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. These small adjustments can cumulatively save you hundreds of megabytes of data, especially if you spend hours browsing. To stay on top of your data usage, regularly check your phone's data consumption summary. Navigate to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network to view detailed statistics. Here, you can also set a data warning that alerts you when you've used a certain amount, perhaps 90% of your plan. Even better, establish a hard data limit that automatically turns off mobile data once your allowance, such as 15 gigabytes, is reached, preventing unexpected overage charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.